Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about the for loop in Python programming. So, the for loop allows us to access each item in a list one by one and perform actions on them. For example, we have list. What's the name of the list? Odd numbers. If I want to do something with each number in the list, we can write a for loop like this. Let's start. I write for. Right now, it's my each item name. It can be any name. I just pass it. I write something right now. And then I write in. After in, I should write my list name. What's my list name? My list name, odd numbers. So, we should be logical. I can write any name for item name, but it can be reasonable. So, I say item, for example. You can write John. You can write your name. You can write anything, It works. The condition is after in, we write our variable name, our list name. So, after putting colon, I just enter inside the for loop. I should be careful about the indentation. I just give a space that equal to the top from the beginning. So, I'm writing print and then item. I want to print each item on the list. So, let's run it, and for running, I just right click and run for 40, and what you see? I print each item in the list. What's my first item? 1. So, I print it. After that, I go to the new line. So, what's my second item? Is 3. I go to the new line, and third item is 5, and I print it. I go to the new line, and my last element is 7, so I print it. If you want to print them into the same line, what we can do? We can do like that, AND operator, and if I want to give a space between each of them, I just give one space. I run it. You see 1, 3, 5, and 7. You can modify it. Here we use each item on the list. Inside the for loop, first item is 1, and then it goes to row again. My second item 3, item is 3. It goes to row again. My third item is 5, so item is 5. It goes to row again, so my last item 7, item is 7 here. I can do an operation in for loop. Okay, that's enough for now. See you in the next lesson.